Hey guys, it is me, Tanya, founder of the TNG Designs Group Limited. I hope you're keeping safe and well. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how to brand yourself. Now, as always, remember, I've got a really cool gift for you at the very end of this video, so make sure you stick around to the end so you can find out exactly what that is. But equally, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel as well so you do not miss another video. Okay, so folks, let's get into it. Okay, so the idea of how to brand yourself. What does that even mean, right? We all know about the idea of branding your business, but how do you do it for yourself? Well, technically, the principles are pretty much the same, but here's what you need to do to make sure that you take it just that little step deeper. Now, remember in my previous videos, I was telling you guys about the idea of that there is a difference between branding your business and branding yourself. When you brand your business, it is about them, the people who you serve, the people who you talk to, right? The people who the product is for. But when you're branding yourself, it is literally about you. So your values, your beliefs, what it is that makes you you, what is it that makes and puts a beautiful smile on your face? What is that thing for yourself? So 3 really cool tips that I'm going to share with you right now to make sure that you nail it for your own personal brand. I really want to share these with you because you know what? It's helped to elevate me thinking in a whole different kind of a way, and I think it definitely help to elevate you so that you start thinking in a whole different kind of a way too. So okay, number 1, core. Think about what is your core beliefs, what is your core values, what is it that makes you you. Remember what I was just saying to you, what is that thing that actually puts a really cool and natural smile on your face? What is that for yourself? What is your fight? What is your passion? What drives you to do what you do? What is that core belief that you have? Number 2, connection. Now typically, right, we're all on here on social media, making these new followers, building on that list, you know, but I wonder how many of you are actually engaging with your followers, engaging with your connections. Who are you actually even connecting with? Think about who are these people. Make sure that they're purposeful connections as well. When you have the idea as to who you are actually connecting with, when you have the idea as to what your cause is, what your core beliefs are, what your fight is, what is it that you stand for, you then know who you can actually start connecting with and start making more, I guess, a bit more of a connection, a more of a purposeful connection, in fact, because it's so easy just to connect with the average Joe, but if they don't have any meaning to what your general goal or your general target or your general belief system or structure is, then why make that connection? You know, we have that ability to say yes and to say no. So why are we just saying yes to everybody? We don't need to. We don't need to. Now, the third and final thing is the idea of making sure that, you know what, it's just not about your cause, not just about your connection. It's not just about the why it is that you do what you do. It's this really cool thing called courage. That's right, I said it, courage. How many people out here are thinking about, you know what, I'm just trying to think about things. I'm just trying to build on these ideas. I'm just trying to make sure that I get this, that, and the other done. But the reality is, you're not doing anything with that because you haven't gotten the courage or built up that idea or built up that notion, the ambition to just go and get what you need to get, go and do what you need to do, especially when you know that you should. But you're not doing it. Why is that? Because deep down, that courage factor isn't strong enough. Deep down, that courage factor isn't pushing you enough. So think about your beliefs. Think about what it is that you stand for. Think about who it is that you're doing this for. Think about all those different aspects. Think about everything that makes you you. Why you should be getting out there. Why you should be making those purposeful connections. And build on that courage to make sure that you stand proud with the authenticity of who it is that you are. And here's the other really cool thing that you need to make sure that you have with your brand so that it actually stands out and steps up in the best possible way so that you can show up in the best possible way that is authentic to you, is because in this day and age, now more than ever, people buy from people. Did you know that? People buy from people, so that means that you can be you. So if you do have a business, if you are starting out, or if it is just a case of you trying to make sure that your cause is reached, you trying to make sure that your awareness is reached or made, in fact, this is what you need to do. You need to make sure that you set your personal brand, because your personal brand will be that one thing that resonates with the audience, with the people that you actually want to make purposeful connections with, a hell of a lot more. It's going to set your reputation in the best possible way as well, even more, and that's important. So folks, I really hope that this video helped you. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel so you can get even more notifications as to about when I actually release another new video. Equally, go ahead and share this with all others who you feel that could really benefit from this video as well. And remember to go ahead and download my guide, which you can actually get by clicking on the link in the description box below. So go ahead, check that out, download it, and folks, I will see you on the other side. Take care.